Alright guys, Jack here, JBF Music and Guitar Lessons. What I've got for you today is this quick John Mayer lick.
That's the BB thing.
If you want the tabs for these and all my other previous lessons, check out patreon.com/jbfmusic. Some huge bends in this one, and it might feel like your strings are about to break. If they do, it's probably because they're old and probably could do with changing anyway, or there might be a slight setup issue with your guitar. So what we're going to do is start off on this 12th fret here, on the E string, and do a tone and a half bend. So aiming all the way for that fret. Then we're just going to kind of come down like this. Add a bit of vibrato, and then 11 on the G. We hit this 10th fret on the B twice, and then repeat that lick. You can use pull-offs and stuff if you want here, but I think Mayer tends to pick it all. Again, we do this 10th fret twice, but then we change things up a bit, so it's still this tone and a half bend, but then you put it back to pitch and pick that 12th fret, then to the 10th, then repeat that. Then probably the hardest part of it, we're doing a compound bend. If you've never encountered these before, I'll link to more information on them with the eye up there. It'll be like a short video lesson going into more detail. But you basically bend up the tone and a half, dip it down to a tone, then back up. So you're just hitting that once. I just picked it twice because I could hear the note had died out, right? Then we're going to pick here, just coming down the scale, a little kind of bluesy quarter tone on this 13th fret. A little bit of vibrato on the 10th fret, 11 on the G, 2 10s to wrap up with a little bit of vibrato. And if you're interested in this kind of thing, or indeed the kind of fine details and the minutiae, but maybe don't have time to commit to a weekly guitar lesson, fire me a message, lessons@jbfmusic.com, or through Facebook, and ask about custom video lessons or playing feedback videos. A quick blast of music theory for those of you that are interested in that sort of thing. This is a good way of kind of integrating licks into your own playing, so you can take the ideas you want and bust them out as needed. It's basically an A, so if you imagine a kind of A boogie type thing. What's making it interesting is he's hitting this note here, which is a flat 7th, and resolving to this one, which is a major 6. So you get a kind of Dorian sound. But what John Mayer's doing is making sure to play this A often enough that we know it's an A blues lick. Tabs for this and loads of other things are on Patreon. Click subscribe to keep up to date with the channel. Check out these videos. Cheers guys, hope you're having a good one.